adventure on these people. Woo! Oh shit.
What? Rotted.
So people find some local youth, so them a do some swimming and thing. We could save them bad now. You know the wash. Wash you know wash?
Yeah.
Eh? Say that's a deep? Not deep, or I want to just sit down in it. Not deep.
Stand up.
Stand up. If you tell it easy, Ah, nice. See that? Take your time. Get time. Wimp, wimp. Don't go too far, you know. And they are Alaska people. Yeah, wimp. Diver. Yeah, my people like, man, you know. Nice to hear I stuff is swimming, you know. In a Bailey'sville, yeah. Where the drop? Careful, you know. It's a few pro, them. Jaja not pro, you know, people. Go on like him a pro. Alright. Let's see. Look like, oh, I go with it. I go with it, man. Calabash. Something like a bus. We use as plate when it dry. Yeah, calabash. Like water, Wim. Like water. What you do? Dash that, man. Nah, man, dash you, man, a poison.
It's very good. Look.
I go there, I say, look on the what name there. Yeah. Look on the stem, bro. You don't know go there. God say you don't know them, so that's still. You're young. Go there, man. Go there. Man talk about star apple. Boy, I fool it. Dog say go there and say I have star apple. We enjoy ourselves, people. We then I water a full jar ourselves right now, so. See some jelly tree over there, so. See jelly tree. And I see star apple tree over there, so. Jelly tree over that side and star apple tree over that side. I don't know how I go and see them on the riverbank. I don't know if for people and I was still, I don't really want to trespass, you know. But you know, when you're in the outdoor space, you know, we try to do a whole heap of little outdoor vibe and just crazy vibes, man. Just crazy vibes. And explore, you know, we try to explore anytime we are at them place, yeah. Yeah. So hopefully I don't know about the place, man. See if we can go up there. See if we can go up there right now and see what's going on. Go up there and see what's going on, people. Hold on, bro. Oh, shit. Put a sing, people. Watch out. Shit. Yo, watch us energy. Step on a mucker. Oof. Oh, damn. Whew. Climb up there. Watch it, you know. Nice. Ah, we have to chop down. I wonder if a pig do this.
Nothing up to this.
Our people. That means there must people place them. Oh. Oh, shit. One guinea tree. Jelly tree right, so.
Anything in it?
See right?
Is there one?
See right one is. All for start around it, bro. See guinea tree right, so. So people are turn back. Cause the journey if we go around at it, can't see the star tree but can't find a proper journey if we pass. We go around to it. Understand? So anyway I take go back myself. Some wild cocoa here so. Big wild cocoa them in a place. Yeah. Oh them here. Like a cow shit. Wimp there said we. There's a whisk that. Yeah. Eh? Oh. It's a sink, you know, bro. Oh shit. You know what this? Clear this, you know.
I want to see it.
No clear than that? You know clear?
Clear?
It's a real clear than that. Clear. Yeah, see it? Yeah man, real clear. Can use it on all rub all your skin. Like this.
It's already to your skin.
I guess moisturize it. You reach? Yeah, hold on the tree and go walk on the side. Wimp the real country girl people, you see that? Wimp is real country girl. So I don't play with her. So people know some find an apple tree on the river bank here. And we are try see if we can reach across with it over there so. See if we can reach across over there. Nice. How them there? We reach across. Find a nice apple tree over here people. Look like it's full of apple. Apple in night one, Jay. Can't get bamboo. Can't use bamboo. Hmm? Where's that?
I can't chop bamboo.
I'll find bamboo, man. Oh, that's
No, come here, start.
Me and him fight that time.
On me, Mark, somebody.
See him there, brother?
When they sound,
Yeah.
come here and reach us.
Yeah, jump and grab it and then use it as the name there. Go. Use it as a start to go. Yeah, people, so Jaja find it. Jaja find it and gone up in there. Yo, you see out on the limb out there, so brother? Out there, so two over to the side. Yo, them full up out there, man.
How many? Or
Not really matter still. If you can find, as long as you can find a good one, which part you there still. Yeah, man, true, man. Ah, nice. See that, people? Yo, them sweet, you know? Which part? Same place on the left. No, I'm not tell them, man, say over there, them there. Pick them, man, the small one, and pick them same way, you know? Eh? You want an apple? Alright. I wash it here. I got chew it. Look. Rotted, we can't catch. See it? Wash it off. Got a whole heap up there, see it full up. Full up, man, all up in the top there, me I look one. Nice. You say ready now for drop that? Over to that side there. Yes, sir. Woo! Bombat! Nice! Nice! See that, people? River bush and fine apple, you know? Can't hungry. Nice good area, you know? Yeah, man. Sweet wimp. Yeah. 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 You want one more? Alright, soon show another one. So our next one, yeah? But you not done eat that yet. When you done, man? Nice. Woo. Woo. That one is a bomb. Yeah, alright, I'll stay out there, so cause that side are clearer. 4. 4. Yeah, man, I need more. Ready? Ah, nice. See that? Ready again. Ready? Woo! Nice. Yeah, man. Too far, too hard, them a come down, you would. Them a mash out them hand. Them nice, you know, man. Them sweet, you know. Eh? Ready for one more? And sweet, you know. Catch. Yeah, we can't catch. We can't catch, you know. Wash it up. Ready again, Ja? I'm not ready yet. Bamboo. Ready? Woo! Nice. See that, people? Find more? Ready? Out. Ah, man, I wanna drop. Ah. Nice. And I'm on it, mash out, you know, people. Nice. See that? Nice. Woo! Yeah, youth. Adventure on these people. Nice. Ready again. Woo! 2 of them. Nice. Yeah. We're good now. We have 6 right or so. Or 7. Yeah, man, we're good. Whole heap of people about the place, but 2, you know, most of them eat out and thing. Yeah. And I'll leave them foot on break. I'll leave them foot on break. Watch it. Next one, yeah, that one. Nice, youth. A big climb, I never that. Mad. See that, people? Nice. See, you know, say right now. Outage. Oh, you do one more? Hold them. Them nice, man, ja. People get apple, people. So you know, so we are outage now. We don't have to wait for we. Ah. Wimp, wimp. We get apple. Nice. Ready? Don't drop none, you know. I will start. I want you to drop one and see. I'm sure that one about. Cricketer. 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 Hey, one more. This is it, my beautiful people. Nice, eh? Hmm?
When you're up there, and you're on the other side, you can't come like this.
Nice, pretty a big apple tree, you know, man. It load. Go wash off one of them and I want to eat right now.
See if I can stay in there for 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes.
How long have you been in the water?
20, eh?
Nice. Pretty, pretty apples, you know, on the riverbank. Out and about again, you know. We can look at family them, you know. Yes, man. That is it. Stone them magic, you know. Woo. Nice.
Two hours later.
Wimp.
Eh?
Finally I make it over. Finally she make it over, people. Wimp not easy, you know. People, that is it, you know. That is it, you know. I head out back, you know. Yeah. Go back in from the yard. After a nice little river walk, you know. And the family them, Jaja there and Wimp there with me. Bless upon yourself. That is it. Subscribe and tune in to some more outdoor vibes, you know. Yard life, though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Wimp.
Eh?
You see for the washer there?
Yeah, wash up the mud off of them. Yard life, man, you know. Bless upon yourself.